Meaning of epistle.
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 Epistle. An epistle is a letter, often formal or written in a serious tone, that is intended to communicate a message or convey important information. The term is most commonly used in reference to the letters written by the apostles of Jesus Christ in the New Testament of the Christian Bible. Epistles can be highly literary and stylistic, and are often addressed to specific individuals or groups. They can also be used to provide moral or ethical guidance, offer encouragement, or advocate for a particular cause or course of action.